இயக்கத்தில் ஆயிரக்கணக்கான சாரண சாரணியர்களை ஒருங்கிணைத்து உறுதிமொழி ஏற்க வைத்தது உள்ளிட்ட 5 உலக சாதனைகள் இந்த வைர விழாவில் படைக்கப்பட்டுள்ளன. உலக சாதனைக்கான சான்றினை மாண்புமிகு பள்ளிக்கல்வித்துறை அமைச்சர் அவர்கள் பாரத சாரண சாரணியர் இயக்கத்தின் தேசிய முதன்மை ஆணையர் டாக்டர் கே கந்தேல்வால் அவர்களிடம் வழங்க உள்ளார்கள்.
We invite the Chief National Commissioner of Bharat Scouts and Guides, Dr. K. Kandalwal, to address the esteemed gathering.
Scout and Guide salute to all. Friends, I will start this speech from famous opening words as used to be told by our beloved leader Kalenjar Muthuvel Karunanidhi ji. And Anbu Udan Praptu Kale, my dear brethren, that was the famous quote he used to say. Vanakkam, Valthukal, Saran Sarniya. Namaskar, Avivadan, good evening to all Scouts and Guides. Honorable Chief Minister Sir, Thiru Muthuvel Karunanidhi Stalin ji, Honorable Minister of School Education and President Bharat Scout and Guides, Tamil Nadu State, leaders on the dais, BSG members, Vojam, WAX, and my dear Scouts, Guides, Rovers, Rangers, leaders, volunteers and professionals. Sir, this Jamboree is dedicated to a veteran leader from Tamil Nadu, Muthuvel Karunanidhi ji. His life and philosophy resembles with that of a scout. As a scout never feels defeated, every failure is a challenge, every challenge is an opportunity. Reminded me of his famous golden words, Karunanidhi ji, Pon Muligal. Mudiyuma Nammal Envadu Tolekki Tolvikko Munpu Varum Dayakam Muruthe Theruvom Envadu Vetrikan Todakam. Sir, his words will be win. This is the mindset of a loser. We will definitely win. This is the mindset of a winner. That was the spirit of Karunanidhi ji. These golden words of Kalengir are guide to Scouts. We salute the great Muthuvel Karunanidhi ji. Sir, your esteemed lineage as a distinguished son and a remarkable father adds to grandeur to this occasion. I would like to quote a poem, sir, which you emotionally wrote after the demise of your father. I have addressed you as Thelevare more than Appa. Therefore, I just once shall address you as Appa leader. Sir, Thiru Karunanidhi is immortal. He resides in the heart and soul of the people. It is with great pride that I address you today, representing 16,000 Scouts and Guides from all over India and also from Australia, Japan, Saudi Arabia, Nepal, Malaysia and Sri Lanka. Sir, your exemplary life and achievement inspires every Scout and Guide, notably your tenure as the first directly elected Mayor of Chennai and the initiative Singara Chennai earned you the title of Managara Thanthai. Sir, we are proud of you as our Chief Scout, as our Chief Patron. Your groundbreaking decision to appoint aspirants of all castes as temple priests, Archakas, and the accolade of being named the top Chief Minister by the Mood of Nation survey in 2021 are proof of your dedication. Your philosophy of Makkaludan Ashsalin underscores your commitment to welfare of the people. Your initiative, sir, Ugal Thokuthi Il Mughal Amateur, has set a benchmark for grievance redressal in the country. Your leadership has introduced significant projects like the Illam Thedi Kalvi project for educational outreach. Sir, in your Kapom, Nammai Kakum 48 for accident victims during first 48 hours and the Nam Madulwan scheme have made an impact on the mind of the people. Despite advice to the contrary, sir, you donned a PP kit and visited COVID-19 patients in their wards at government hospital, embodying the spirit of scouting. Sir, even you talked to a lady for 30 minutes and arranged a bed for her during the COVID days. You opened the war room there. It is profound honor to dedicate the Jamboree to late Muthuvel Karunanidhi ji. We commemorate him not only for his astute political leadership, but also for his lasting contribution to literature, social justice, equity, and equality. Affectionately known as Kalanjir and Muthamil Arigner, these titles epitomize his deep impact on Tamil literature and culture. It is with great enthusiasm that I report on the remarkable success of the Jamboree. The Jamboree being the cleanest ever Jamboree ever held so far, sir. It is the cleanest ever Jamboree, sir. No trace of dirt, no trace of litter, no trace of plastic waste. The Jamboree layout was aesthetically planned in the shape of Scout logo, and infrastructure for sanitation and water supply was excellent. This Jamboree marked our first digital Jamboree. We introduced the Pragati Path, a happy news for girl guides. You can now wear the shirt and pant uniform of the Scouts. Additionally, SDG Hub, put up by Sai Institutes, incorporated innovative approach to education, integrating science and gamification in lines with Ozam and Wax. Jamboree has set, sir, 7 world records. It is for the first time 7 world records have been set by any Jamboree. Sir, it is a historical milestone in the scouting history. I would like to take a moment to express my heartfelt gratitude to Honorable Minister of School Education, Thiru Anbil Mahesi, and for his leadership and steadfast support in organizing this remarkable event. A special thanks also to Thiru Pradeep Kumar, District Collector, Tiruchirappalli, for his tireless efforts in ensuring the seamless logistics and infrastructure that have been the key to success of this Jamboree. I would like to extend our heartfelt gratitude and special thanks to David Robert Baden-Powell. Sir, he is the grandson of founder of Scouting, Lord Baden-Powell. Sir, please. Sir, I am honored to announce, it is for all Scout and Guides to please note, I am honored to announce the conferral of prestigious Silver Elephant Award, the highest national accolade of the Bharat Scout and Guide, to Thiru Anbil Mahesi, Honorable Minister of School Education. Scout.
Clubs go!
The Silver Star Award will be presented to Thiru Pradeep Kumar, District Collector of Tiruchirappalli, for his commitment and dedicated service in organizing this Jamboree.
Clubs go!
As a gesture of appreciation, I kindly request Honorable Chief Minister to present a citation as a token of gratitude to Thiru Anbil Mahesi and Thiru Pradeep Kumar and few others for this Jamboree's grand success. I close by quoting few lines from famous poem of Muthuvel Arigner in honor of his mentor, Guru, great Annaji. Sir, this poem is taken from As Your Shadow We Move About, and this is about the Tamil identity, Tamil culture, Tamil supremacy. Sir, even before your coming, the Tamils a history had, but only after you came. The Tamils of their history had a clear view, literature, there was for Tamils, but only after you advent. Alive you made it, for the words to know of it, a culture of their own, the Tamil had, but but time was when ignorant of it they were leader. Because you came, the Tamil became. That is what I want to say. And Sir Muthuvel Arigir's poetry was so vivid and vast that he would have been conferred Nobel Prize if timely his work would have been translated in English like Rabindranath Tagore's work. Nandri, Vadakkam, Valvukkal, thank you and Jai Hind. While the Jamhuri may be drawing to a close, the spirit of Jamhuri will forever endure in our heart and mind. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you very much for giving me this opportunity.
Thank you, sir. Dr. K.K. Kandalwal now extends his heartfelt gratitude to the Honorable Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu by presenting an honorary plaque, memento, and a book in recognition of the Diamond Jubilee Jamboree's historic success.
வைர விழா நிகழ்வு வரலாற்று
Clubs
சாதனை
go!
குறித்து தற்போது மாண்புமிகு தமிழ்நாடு முதலமைச்சர் அவர்களுக்கு பட்டயம், புத்தகம் ஆகியவற்றை வழங்கி சிறப்பிக்கிறார்கள் திரு கந்தல்வால் அவர்கள். வைர விழா நிகழ்வு வரலாற்று சாதனை படைத்து சிறப்பாக நடைபெற்றதற்காக தமிழ்நாடு அரசிற்கு நன்றி தெரிவிக்கும் வண்ணம் மாண்புமிகு தமிழ்நாடு முதலமைச்சர் அவர்களுக்கு டாக்டர் கே கந்தல்வால் அவர்கள் தற்போது முத்தமிழறிஞர் கலைஞர் அவர்களின் உருவம் தாங்கிய சிற்பத்தினை வழங்க உள்ளார்கள்.
Dr. K.K. Kandalwal now felicitates the following dignitaries: the Honorable Minister of Municipal Administration and Water Supplies.
மாண்புமிகு நகராட்சி நிர்வாகத்துறை அமைச்சர் அவர்களுக்கும் பட்டயம் வழங்கி சிறப்பிக்கப்படுகிறது. மதிப்பிற்குரிய பள்ளிக்கல்வித்துறை செயலாளர் அவர்களுக்கு பட்டயம் வழங்கி சிறப்பிக்கப்படுகிறது.
The Secretary of the School Education Department, the Secretary of the Department of Social Welfare and Women's Rights,
திரு அறிவொளி அவர்களுக்கும் பட்டயம் வழங்கி சிறப்பிக்கப்படுகிறது.
the Jamboree Coordination Committee State Chief Commissioner Mr. Arivoli,
மாண்புமிகு பள்ளிக்கல்வித்துறை அமைச்சர் அவர்களுக்கும் பட்டயம் வழங்கி சிறப்பிக்கப்படுகிறது.
the Honorable Minister of School Education,
மதிப்பிற்குரிய திருச்சி மாவட்ட ஆட்சியர் அவர்களுக்கும் பட்டயம் வழங்கி சிறப்பிக்கப்படுகிறது.
respected District Collector of Tiruchirappalli is now being felicitated.
திரு லார்ட் டேவிட் பேடன் பவுல் அவர்களுக்கும் பட்டயம் வழங்கி சிறப்பிக்கிறார்கள் டாக்டர் கந்தல்வால் அவர்கள்.
A tribute is paid to Lord David Baden-Powell for upholding the legacy of the Scouting movement.
திருமிகு பிரார்த்தனா லேனங்கே அவர்களுக்கும் பட்டயம் வழங்கி சிறப்பிக்கப்படுகிறது.
Ms. Prarthana Lianage, Vice Chair, Asia Pacific Region.
திரு நரேஷ் அவர்களை அன்புடன் அழைக்கிறோம். திரு நரேஷ் அவர்களுக்கும் பட்டயம் வழங்கி சிறப்பிக்கப்படுகிறது.
The Tamil Nadu State Secretary of Bharat Scouts and Guides, Mr. Naresh, is now being felicitated.
திரு ராஜ்குமார் கௌஷிக் அவர்களை அன்புடன் அழைக்கிறோம்.
Mr. Rajkumar Kaushik, former National Headquarters Director and Monitoring Officer.
டாக்டர் கண்ணன் கிரீஷ் அவர்களை அன்புடன் அழைக்கிறோம்.
Dr. Kannan Girish is now being felicitated.
சாய்ராம் கல்வி குழும செயல் இயக்குனர் திரு சாய் பிரகாஷ் லியோமுத்து அவர்களை அன்புடன் அழைக்கிறோம்.
Mr. Sai Prakash Leomuthu, Executive Director of Sairam Educational Institutions.